Our team, Gear 5 coders, build a project which predict the person's upcoming future emergency condition. Yeah, it not just track the vitals of a person, it's also track the pressure, sugar and abnormal condition of a person. With the previous data, it will predict the future emergency situation of a person's body, so we will easily able to keep the person closely to our eyes and may prevent them from the emergency situation. Yeah, we merge our projects with the already existing hospital management system. Yeah, if we take a hospital management system, we also have patients details, doctors details, nurse details and etc. With the details we also have the person's previous medical condition. So with the data we will track the current condition of a person's body. If maybe we predict the abnormal condition, it will easily notify the chief doctor and the caregivers. It also connect with the smartwatch and the GPS location, so it will give the live location of a person and the condition of a person's body. It will also guide the persons to get the correct guidance to prevent their body in the emergency conditions. That's the main motto of our project. In that modern world, AML power is ultimate. Yeah, that's why we use AML technology in this project. We easily teach the machine to predict the patient's body closely with the data. So if we maybe get the abnormal situation, it will easily able to notify the doctor and help the person to get the normal level quickly with the close eyes of the doctors. That's why we use AML prediction and a smartwatch system, GPS condition and automatic phone call to the ambulance. With this all these features, this project will definitely help us to prevent every human being who are faced so many emergency conditions in their life. Thank you.